Okay, so the situation here is that we have a client, the client site with Memberium. It's a pretty large site. The content folder itself was 3 GB and the database was close to 1 GB in size. And the new one we built and ported over the data was this one. This one is currently in production. So in the process of deployment and all that, we ended up losing the client's Memberium data. Basically, all the membership data was lost. So kind of like this. It was supposed to be looking like this, but it was looking like that. I mean, no membership data was found. So we rolled out the old site, the client's old site, in a subdomain, and when looking for the data, and turned out we actually found it, but since Memberium is a third-party product, we actually didn't know exactly where to look in the database. But at the admin backend, like this, we actually found it, that it actually had all those. So we contacted Memberium support, and they pointed us to a right direction. So they told us to go to the original database and options table. And as you can see from the URLs, these are the replication of it, the old site that we rolled out to collect our data. So in here, and also something important to remember is that setting it to 500 so that all the options are available, and then do a Control F and put Memberium on it. Keep digging through a little bit more, and voila, this is it. So they gave us the exact option ID and this option to look into to collect our data. So we hit edit and we copied the whole thing. Then we came back to our production DB, went exactly to the options table, and also setting up 500 here, and then did a Control F, Memberium, and found the right option ID, went in, and we pasted this data and hit go. So once it was done, then we came back and logged back into the site's backend and found all the data was available. Now I'm about to replicate it for this one. This is the dev version. This is where we do all sorts of experimentation and such. So I just laid it all down to show you the difference. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.